airsoft guns. Is that what the next season is about? Yes! So, airsoft idiots. This is going to be different from so idiots doing stunts. It's going to be all of our friends. We're all pretty much going to do, kill each other. Yeah, and it's going to be pretty fun because all I got is a pistol, but I am getting a shotgun. Friend has a shotgun, Russ have pistols, one has a battle rifle, and one has an automatic machine gun. Bleh. So, I'll show you guys how it works. Since I already showed you how to make a homemade one, you guys can watch my real one. Airsoft idiots is like one of the best things ever, so if you rock, I rock. What? Second switch right here. Hey, look, squirrels. Here's how you shoot an airsoft.
Your father gets out here and he's going to start screaming. Get in the house.
I know, she's showing how to freaking shoot an airsoft. Mothers. Sorry, she just ruined the video, but I'm probably going to put this on YouTube anyway. Bye.